Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be installing Becky's new trunk lid. This is double-sided carbon. As you guys can see, I'll flip it over for you. We're going to be installing it today. The only hole back here is the rear camera. So on this job, we're going to be needing a little prying tool, like a little side trim prying tool, flathead screwdriver to be able to take off the little shocks, and a 10mm to take your 4 bolts loose here. I went ahead and disconnected the battery. I haven't really figured out what we're going to need for this yet because I still got to pull it off, but I have a whole socket set here ready to go, and I'll let you know on that one.
Alright, I'm going to place you guys over here.
Let's get started. Now that is off, got a couple more of the little push pieces here. Besides, we're gonna need to take this little cell. There it is.
And you can always wrap your prongs in electrical tape if you don't want to scratch. And that's the camera on there.
Okay. Now, you gotta take the deck lid off. And that's at 5.5. So to take the, this is just to take the back part of the camera loose. It looks like this is 5.5. Oh, that was gone forever.
No, it's still on
Okay.
there. These.
Yes. So now we've got that loose. We go back to our 10mm, take our 4 bolts loose off of the hanger.
Yeah, what you got to lose? Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose? Got to lose, got to lose, got to lose, got to lose, got to lose.
Damn, this motherfucker's heavy. Excuse my language. This thing's really heavy. Right. I will set this new 2-pound goddess on here. I guess we probably didn't even have to take the shocks off.
Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. And this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone.
Alright, there it is. Pour it down.
Clean on this side. Man, oh man, does that look clean, you guys?
So minus it being dirty.
Minus the car looking dirty, but I mean, the carbon fiber. Boop. Yeah, and so as he said, it is an Anderson composite. When we bought it, we thought, I guess, just maybe the front two fenders are the carbon creations. But so the rear is an Anderson composite. Man, it looks good, fabulous. You can barely see the little camera there. Yeah.
I think it fits very well.
Alright, you guys, so if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Hope you have a great day. Hustle harder.